Hello everyone, this is an example animation made with the Realmagazine preset. Now I will show you the adjustable parameters quickly. Page width and height, external and internal sheet thickness, sheet distance, base rotation size, external width and height overhang, scale the entire Realmagazine, change the number of sheets, incremental width. The animation of Realmagazine is based on two configurations, the starting and the ending, that can be freely chosen. The external sheet, divided into two pages, gives the main shape to the Realmagazine. You can define the way in which the internal pages are distributed. Differential values are used by the internal pages, taking the external page as a reference. The automatic animation allows you to animate all the pages on the left and all the pages on the right with the two cursors in sequence. You can adjust in detail the sheet twist during the animation using 4 control splines, also independently for each page. A random distribution system is present for 4 parameters: spacing between pages, position along the height, strength of the base curvature, and base size. You can add an horizontal fold and play with the central lift to avoid intersections. And add the crimping. If you want to introduce staples, simply insert them under the null object, insert the staples here, and they will automatically follow the movement of the base. You can insert your own custom pages or use those that you find in the preset. Don't forget to take a look to the user guide.